Hello, I'm Alex, one of the product managers here at Domino, and I'm here to talk you through our entry-level thermal inkjet printer, the G50i. The G50i is made up of two parts, the printhead and the touchscreen HMI controller. These come packed in a single box alongside all the bracketry you need, making it easy to set up and use with no complex installation process required. We also have plug-and-play accessories available, including an alarm beacon, an encoder, anti-shock kit, and external photocell. The G50i was designed to code text, logos, barcodes, variable data, and can even connect directly to a check weigher. Let's take a closer look. The G50i supports a single remote printhead into which the ink cartridge is fitted. The remote printhead allows for either vertical or horizontal installation, giving you more flexibility when installing to your existing production lines. Domino provides different inks to suit your requirements and ensure print quality. With both aqueous and ethanol-based options, suited to porous and non-porous substrates, these inks can print high-resolution, human and machine-readable codes, up to 600 dpi onto materials including paper and card. These inks also offer excellent addition for durability throughout the supply chain. For fast-paced production lines, the G50i can print codes up to 76 meters per minute at 300 dpi. Cartridge changes are quick and simple, meaning downtime is kept to a minimum, making this compact and versatile technology a cost-effective solution. Now, let's take a look at the user interface more closely. The UI has a 5-inch touchscreen color display which is easy to use. This means it takes no more than a few touches to get anywhere in the menus. You can easily create and edit labels directly via the HMI, or alternatively by the web browser based label designer, and load your labels via USB drive. Once you have selected your label, you can then send it to print while keeping track via the home screen. From here, you can stop printing and make additional edits to the label, as well as find printer settings, an overview of the printer statuses, and alerts, all from one touch. Here I have a cartridge with a Domino BK160 black ink and one printer connected. The status of the printer is always shown on the right side of the screen, and we are green, indicating that print run is good to go. Should anything need your attention, whether this be an error with a connection or an empty or low ink print cartridge, this light will change to amber. Let's see how it works. And here's my label.